Have you ever had one of those days when you just woke up on a Saturday morning and you just felt like being scruffy all day? I think I'm just a mountain man at heart. Anyway, I was at Lowe's the other day and I saw this little hammer multi-tool and I thought, you know what, that's just kind of cool looking. So I'm a sucker for tools. I really don't like multi-tools. I saw this one had this neat inlaid, look like, I know it's not wood, it's probably plastic. I'm going to find out if this thing is worth even purchasing. So let's open it up and find out. One of the things I don't like about multi-tools is that they seem to have just too much stuff on them. It seems like there's a race. It's like an arms race, you know, where companies are trying to put as much junk on there as you can get, and it turns out that none of the tools are very effective because they're all crammed in there together. You know, like the screwdrivers are too small or they don't fit, and the blades are dull and all that. So one of the first things I noticed about this package though was that it says, "Caution, blade is extremely sharp. Handle with care." So I'm going to open this puppy up and see how sharp the knife blade really is. By the way, before I destroy the package, there's a close-up of the label.
One of those things Fred has that opens his packages up. And it also comes with a neat little case. That's pretty cool. See how that works. And there's a little card here that lists the tools. See if I can get a close-up of that.
I mean, it's a nice looking multi-tool. It has some, you know, nice weight to it. Let's see what this looks like. A little. Okay, these are the pliers handles. They call them lineman's pliers. Yeah, there's the wire cutters. I'll be interested to see what kind of hammer action we get. The first thing I'm curious about is the knife blade. Well, there's a neat can opener. That would come in handy on a car camping or truck camping trip. Wow, it has an edge on it too right there. Let's see, that's that. There's a serrated blade. Okay, let's see how this thing cuts paracord. Well, I know it's probably not exactly meant for paracord. That's kind of rough. Needs some singeing there. It's a serrated blade, and of course it has this flat, it looks like a flat tip slotted, you know, screwdriver tip. So what I'm really curious about is this blade. Good Lord, can I cut butter with it? You know, I mean, after you penetrate the, and that's jagged, you can see the edges of the cut are jagged. So I'm thinking that's not very sharp, you know, maybe for a construction type blade. I don't know, even if it's that sharp. A utility knife certainly would be sharper. I mean, I can feel it feels like a convex grind on there, and I can almost, I'm not even sure if that'll take the hairs off my hand. I don't know. That's just scraping my hand. So that blade is pretty dull. Let's see on this side. Has a Phillips bit. That's kind of awkward though, because it's on the side of the handle, the grip. So I guess you'd have to turn it up like this and use it like that. That's awkward. I don't know. This is a good example of why I think multi-tools are just awkward. So you're asking me, well, why did you buy it? And I'm wondering myself why I bought this. I think I'm a sucker. First, I'm a sucker for tools, but I like hammers, you know. So I thought, well, maybe it'll be a neat little tack hammer, but it's kind of awkward actually. And so I'm going to take it out and see if it'll even drive a nail. Okay, it's getting ready to rain here, so I'm going to have to do this quickly. I'm going to put this little hammer aside first. What I have here is Old Faithful. I've had this hammer for at least 30 years. I'll show you a photograph of when I was younger. I'm actually using this hammer. It's kind of a coincidence. I found the photograph when I was celebrating my 30th year in construction in the industry. So anyway, normally, you know, I would set the nail and, you know, you're talking about if you hit it, working in the office, you know, sometimes I get rusty. But on average, a couple of strikes. Like that. So anyway, it's one thing I am decent at, but now I run out of nails. Okay, so now these are just 8-penny. These are just the first nails I could find in my nail apron. So what I'm going to do is see how this thing does with an 8-penny nail. This might be a little humorous, I don't know. 4, 5, 6, 7. First thing I notice is it's coming apart here. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Ow, crap. 13, 14, 15, 16, 18, 19, 20, 22, 23. Ow. That gum, look at that. 26, 27, 28. Okay. I don't think I'm going to be using this on a regular basis. So, just to redeem myself. So, I need to go get my AMP3 first aid kit. Well, I don't know. This just continues to reinforce my little thing against multi-tools. And I know this thing is not rated very high in the multi-tool world. That's it. I don't recommend this thing. As a matter of fact, I'll just do a surprise giveaway right here. Anybody that wants this thing, put a comment in the comment section, and I'll just do a quick drawing and give this thing away. It does come with a neat little pouch. So anyway guys, thanks for watching. But you know, Alex, stop. I'm trying to finish the video. Okay, I'm getting ready to take this thing outside and see how it will drive some nails. Well, anyway.